Everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most dynamic and rapidly evolving areas of artificial intelligence, the AI application layer. We'll explore how these companies, initially perceived as mere wrappers, are transforming into powerful problem solvers and fundamentally shifting where value is created in the AI ecosystem. We're witnessing a surge of innovative AI applications hitting the market. Companies like Perplexity, Replete, Harvey, Abridge, Cursor, and Devon. These aren't just incremental improvements. They're breakthrough products targeting specific, high-value needs, whether it's advanced search, specialized coding, or revolutionizing healthcare. What's striking is their rapid user adoption and the significant investor interest, with companies like Perplexity reportedly discussing valuations over $1 billion. Initially, the common thread was that they were built on top of existing foundation models. Early on, these companies were often labeled AI wrappers, essentially apps built around pre-existing AI models. The perception was that they were just middlemen, lacking the foundational work of training massive models. The prevailing thesis was that true AI leadership required hundreds of millions of dollars to build those base models, like what OpenAI and Anthropic were doing. But the landscape is changing. Foundation models, while incredibly powerful, are becoming somewhat commoditized. We have multiple high-performing models available, from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, and even open-source options. The differentiation between them is blurring. The real value is now migrating to the application layer, where companies are solving specific, deep human and business problems. As one source put it, the most profound implementation of this technology. And investors are following this trend, pouring billions into these AI apps, often with higher valuation multiples than the model builders themselves. Consider Perplexity's revenue multiple compared to OpenAI's. Why are these AI apps gaining so much traction? Several factors are at play. They solve real-world problems directly. They offer enhanced user experiences through better interfaces and customization. They can curate and select the best models for a given task, and they're agile, free from the legacy constraints of big tech. They're also demonstrating rapid growth and monetization, with some achieving $100 million in annual recurring revenue within just 12 months. The term wrapper is becoming increasingly outdated. These apps are evolving. They're fine-tuning models for specific use cases, leveraging proprietary data that's not available on the public internet, orchestrating multiple models intelligently, and even building their own specialized models. They're shedding the wrapper image and becoming deep tech problem solvers. Let's look at Abridge as a powerful example. They're tackling a critical issue in healthcare: clinician burnout due to excessive documentation. Founded in 2018, even before the LLM hype, they recognized that healthcare is fundamentally about people and conversations. Their mission is to unburden clinicians by turning patient conversations into structured notes and billing codes. They have a deep domain focus, addressing the complex workflows and needs of doctors, nurses, and billing. Abridge isn't just using off-the-shelf AI. They have a full-stack solution, integrating workflow, data delivery, and customer service. They leverage foundational models, but add value through proprietary data and learning, fine-tuning on healthcare data, and learning from user edits. Their contextual reasoning engine hits LLMs 15 to 20 times per note. They prioritize trust and privacy, which are essential in healthcare, and they're building their own models for optimal, differentiated output. The result? Doctors are now using bridge as a verb, integrating it into the fabric of healthcare delivery. The competitive landscape is fascinating. Startups have the advantage of agility and focus, while incumbents like Google and Microsoft have massive cash reserves and distribution channels. But incumbents face the innovator's dilemma, making them slower to maneuver. App companies are building moats through specialized models, proprietary data, and deep workflow integration. And AI is changing distribution, potentially redefining the importance of traditional channels. Looking ahead, we're seeing trends like vibe coding with tools like Cursor, where AI is becoming a powerful coding partner. We're also seeing increasing trust in AI for live services like live coding and accounting. We expect continued app specialization and deepening, with apps becoming more integrated and building more proprietary tech. And the dynamic between foundational model providers and application layer specialists will continue to evolve. In conclusion, the AI wrapper narrative is outdated. AI application companies are evolving into sophisticated problem solvers. Significant value creation is happening at the application layer, driven by deep domain expertise, user focus, and proprietary technology. These companies are transforming industries like healthcare, legal, and software development. The landscape is dynamic, and we can expect continued innovation and disruption. Thank you.